Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did the ponytail I used in my last video. So if there is something you're interested in, then keep watching. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when next I upload a new video. I used some old wool that I have before. They have not been used. So I started off by tying at least 6 strands of wool around a chair, as you see me doing. I used 12 strands of wool for each section. You can use more than or less than, depending on the size you want. So I place the wool across the one on the chair and then twist them around each other like you can see. I'm going to do a closer look, so just enjoy the video. So this is the work done. I had 35 twists altogether, and the next day I burnt the tips of the wool with a candle light. I added 7 more strands to the twist, which made it 42 in total. I'll be dropping the video link of how I attached the ponytail in the description box. Do well to check it out after watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe. Share also with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.